Welcome to the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally.
In this video, we're going to learn about some utensils we use in the kitchen. Butter dish. Butter dish. We keep the butter dish in the refrigerator. Bottle opener. Bottle opener. I need a bottle opener to open this soda. Can opener. Can opener. A can opener must be very sharp. Chopsticks. Chopsticks. It's fun to eat Chinese food with chopsticks. Coffee pot. Coffee pot. A coffee pot makes coffee automatically. Colander. Colander. Use a colander to drain the water after cooking pasta. Cookie cutter. Cookie cutter. Cookie cutters come in many different shapes. Cupboard. Cupboard. We keep dishes in the cupboard. Dish soap. Dish soap. We're all out of dish soap, so I can't wash the dishes. Egg slicer. Egg slicer. An egg slicer cuts hard-boiled eggs into even pieces. Flour sifter. Flour sifter. Use a flour sifter to mix the dry ingredients. Frying pan. Frying pan. We cook eggs in the frying pan. Garlic press. Garlic press. Use a garlic press to crush the garlic cloves. Grill. Grill. We cook on the grill outside. Honey dipper. Honey dipper. The honey dipper is made out of wood. Ice cube tray. Ice cube tray. Pour the water into the ice cube tray and freeze it overnight. Jar. Jar. Many foods are stored in jars. Kitchen sink. Kitchen sink. You can wash dishes in the kitchen sink. Knife sharpener. Knife sharpener. Use a knife sharpener when the knife is dull. Measuring cup. Measuring cup. Combine the milk and water in a measuring cup. Meat thermometer. Meat thermometer. Use a meat thermometer to test the temperature of the beef. Microwave oven. Microwave oven. Food heats up quickly in the microwave oven. Mug. Mug. Lots of people drink their coffee from a mug. Napkin. Napkin. Put the napkin on your lap when you sit down to eat. Pantry. Pantry. A pantry is a small closet where you store extra food. Plate. Plate. We serve the dinner meal on a plate. Plastic wrap. Plastic wrap. Put plastic wrap over leftovers before you put them in the refrigerator. Pot holder. Pot holder. Use a pot holder to pick up hot pans. Rice cooker. Rice cooker. The rice cooker keeps the rice warm for a long time. Salad spinner. Salad spinner. The salad spinner removes water from the lettuce after it has been washed. Salt shaker. Salt shaker. We always have a salt shaker on the dinner table. Scissors. Scissors. Use the scissors to cut the top of packages of food. Scouring pad. Scouring pad. A scouring pad is helpful when food is stuck in the pan. Silverware. Silverware. A set of silverware is a spoon, fork, and knife. Skillet. Skillet. Cornbread tastes better when cooked in a skillet. Stool. Stool. My mom sits on the stool when she chops vegetables. Tap. Tap. Water comes out of the tap at the kitchen sink. Tea kettle. Tea kettle. Boil water in the tea kettle to make tea. It whistles when the water boils. Thermos. Thermos. Liquids stay hot in the thermos all day. Toaster oven. Toaster oven. Use a toaster oven to cook small amounts of food. Whisk. Whisk. Many recipes tell you to whisk the eggs before adding to the bowl. Ziploc bags. Ziploc bags. Ziploc bags are used for storing food. You can learn the words even better if you watch the video again. Thank you for watching the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.